it just causes, it's just hard on those tires. It causes heat, causes wear.
Oh, he's out of shape there.
It was loose in.
Man, Travis Milburn was having such a good run, and that's going to be the caution that Derek Thorne needs.
Exactly. That's a free pass for Derek Thorne, and Milburn needs to get his car turned around so he doesn't lose a lap.
That's
going to happen.
Too late. Yep, Partridge goes by, and unfortunately, there isn't a lot of room for him to swing that 0-8 car around, and he'll just have to wait for the field to go through. There he gets it corrected.
Well, we kind of foreshadowed and saw that coming there, didn't we?
Set this up for us now. He thinks he's got grip.
Yeah, but he just charged into the corner. The car was already unstable down the straightaway. Just a little loose entry can cause that thing to come right around like it did. No contact or anything from the 6 of Derek Thorne.
Yep. And no contact on the wall for Milburn, which is good news.
More flat-spotted tires, maybe.
Yep, and I think he's